everyone, my dear students. Welcome to my channel. And today I am here with a very interesting game, that is Egg Catcher game. Maybe you have played this game before in your Android mobile or any other mobile. So it's very exciting to know we can create our own game in the scratch, and you can also try it with the different eggs, multiple eggs you can use, and different backgrounds you can use. So let's start. So firstly click on file, and there is new project, close that, and now select the backdrops. So for this game we need a backdrop like patrons. So here we will select strips type of black drop. Okay, so here we will black drop, and we need a bucket type. Okay, so second thing, we need to use a sprite that is of select bucket type sprite. Here will be you can also write here take out. Okay, so one option is you can also finalize this, you can write here take out. So here it will be like this. Okay, and we also need one egg. So select the sprite that is egg. So select this egg sprite here. Okay, so cross that default sprite because we don't need it. Okay, so cross that this sprite. Now we need egg and we need this bucket. Okay, and we need to coding accordingly. Okay, so we need to do coding for the egg need to move, and also for the bucket will also move. Okay, so next step is, here we have egg and bucket. We need to do coding for egg and bucket separately. Okay, so we have here two sprites, that is egg and bucket. Now we need to do coding for the this one. So firstly we need to start with the event when flag clicked. Now motion, that is go to random position, say y. Next is set y. We need to set the value of y. By default it is 150. You can set 180 as in your book, and according to the demand of the program you can change this value. Okay, now again here is control, that is whenever we want to do the steps. Next is motion. Motion we need to change the y. We need to change the value of y, and now we need in control and condition of if when Again, for this we need to set if y position we need to also use here operators that is less than equals to, and now we need to set the position of y. If y position less than, here you can change the value. Firstly, we will focus on the steps and values given in your book. After that, for the experiment, you can change the values. Okay. Then you can do experiment with the different values, different background, different sprites. Okay. So go to the now. It need to be set here. If y is less than, then go to the now again. You need to use go to random position and again need to set the value of y. Set y. Okay. So here we can change value 180. Okay. So this one is the first phase and this is the coding in the egg, and we need to work for the y coordinate. Now here we have do coding for the eggs, and again start with the event. So here we have done coding with for the y, and another phase we need to do for that is control now forever. Here it is forever. If condition we need to use, and here is sensing related with the we need to use here sensing block. Now it's clear. Now we need to change the costume, that is you will get from the looks block switch costume to any value. It can be like B. Now if you want to play any sound also, then you can use here sound option. If it will touch the bucket, then you will receive a sound, and here you can okay. So next is again motion. You need go to random access and then need to set the value of y. Here it is, set the value of y, that is 180. Okay, and again you need to change the costume. You will get it from the looks block switch costume to you can change the costume by egg A. Okay, so this is the part of the coding for the egg sprite. Now you need to do coding for the takeout, that is for the bucket. Again start with the event when flag clicked, again control, that is forever. forever. Now we need to use if condition. Now here will be right arrow. Okay, you will get this from the sensing. And if keyboard key right arrow pressed, then what will happen? It will change the value of x. So now you need to change the value of x. So you will change it from the motion block. Set change x by 10. Okay. Another if condition we need to use, if for the right arrow we have changed the value of x. Now we need to change the value for the left arrow also, because egg will move right and left. Okay, so here for the right, again from the sensing you will get that is key use here left arrow. Okay, left arrow and then change the value of x. So here you will get change the value of x by -10. Okay, so I have did the same coding as in your book also. Okay, so you can check it out in your book on the page number 83. So one by one I will try whether my program is working well or not. Okay, so here is my so it will be work like this. We need to do some changes here. So you will see like this. Now our egg is coming down and we need to move our bucket accordingly. Okay, like this, as in this. So as you can see, here is my program working well. You can change, you can see the color is changing like this. Whenever it connected with the bucket, it will give you sound of clapping and this one. So as you can see, my program is working well. Here egg is coming down, and when it touch the bucket, it will give you a sign of pop-up and change the color ones. Okay, so this is the game. You can also try it with different sprites. I have used a egg only. Okay, so you can use any ball, any also use any sprites and backdrop. Okay. So as you can see, my program is working well. Okay, like this. Whenever I click on this, you will hear a sound of pop-up, and also egg will change little bit color. Okay, so this is the game. You can try it here on. Okay, and try it with the different sprites. You can take different balls also, and I have done it with a single egg. You can use a multiple egg also and multiple balls to enjoy this game. Okay, so do practice and make your own game. Okay.